Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a quarantine tutorial. Quaran-tutorial? I think that's probably what I'm going to call it. A quaran tutorial. Like the rest of the world right now, pretty much everyone is being told to stay inside, pretty much bored out of their minds. Things are really crazy right now in the world, and I just wanted to upload this video just to maybe make you smile for a couple minutes out of the day, just to kind of get your mind off of everything. I'm doing it personally just because I want a distraction from the news and from everything going on with this virus. So that's why I am here today. I'm just going to be doing a springtime makeup look for you. It's not going to be super in-depth or anything like that, I don't think. I just kind of want to just have fun, and I'm very happy that it's springtime, even though my allergies are so bad, like the worst allergies I've had in my entire life. So I just feel like doing a pretty spring look. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Anyway, let's get this started. Okay, so I thought I was gonna do like this big eyeshadow thing, blah, blah, blah. I think I just want to do winged liner with like that pop of color on the inner corner. I know a lot of people have done this, but I personally haven't tried it yet, and I think it would be really pretty, and I can do like yellow and pink on the inner corner, maybe. I don't know. I think we're just gonna try it out. I'm gonna put some foundation on. This is Infallible Pro Glow 201. You guys know I am obsessed with this foundation. I don't think I'll ever stop using it, to be honest. Although I have been wanting to try the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I think that's what it's called. For those of you that don't know, I recently just got a job at Sephora. The Charlotte Tilbury brand rep came in and she was teaching us about all the products and stuff, and that foundation looks absolutely beautiful. It's not new or anything, but I think a lot of people like it, so I think I might try it. It's supposed to be like super dewy, which I need because I'm so dry. Right now all Sephoras are closed, which is why I'm here and sitting in front of you today. I'm gonna put a little bit of the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer on. Also, we're almost at 100 subscribers, which is really awesome. Well, I know 100 is like barely anything compared to the rest of the community, but for me, having, you know, 100 people watching me, it's really cool. Like, if you are subscribed, I just want to thank you, because it kind of makes me feel like people care about what I have to say. So I really appreciate you if you did subscribe. And if you're on the fence about subscribing, I hope that you do choose to. I really like communicating with you guys. That's why I always encourage you to comment down below. And if you guys want to connect with me, I do have a Twitter, I have an Instagram, and I'd love to, you know, get to know you guys. I'm going to spray my face. I'm almost out of this. This is my favorite setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm like basically out of it. And then there it goes, it's gone. Okay, we got some eyebrows on. I'm going to quickly bronze up my face with the Hoola bronzer. Do any of you guys have like extremely bad allergies? Like, I'm not talking about like, oh, I sneeze like kind of often. I'm talking like face is swollen, eyes are swollen, eyes look like you've been smoking so much weed, like just blood red, nose is dripping, throat is swollen and itchy, like, do you guys have like those kind of allergies? Because those are the kind of allergies that I get. And I went outside for like 2 minutes and there's pollen on everything. Like all of the white cars in the neighborhood, they don't look white. They look like a pale yellowish because it's just covered in pollen. It's, I mean, even just thinking about it makes me want to sneeze. Okay, so I did my eyebrows, I did my bronzer. I think I'm just gonna do my eyeliner now. Oh, by the way, I put on the color Certified from Jacqueline's palette. I just put that all over my eyelids to make them look a little bit brighter. As far as eyeliner goes, I think I'm just gonna use the NYX matte liquid liner. I haven't done a wing in a minute. I'm not obsessed with that wing, but it'll have to do. Okay, well those definitely do not match. Oh my god, these look so bad. I should honestly just stop recording because this is gonna take me a second. So as my eyelash glue is drying, then I'm gonna use the Glazed Donut highlighter by Nikki Tutorials and Ofra. So there she is. I'm gonna use this. So let's put on these lashes. These are some weird Ardell wispies that I'm trying to use up, but they're not wispies. They're supposed to be like bigger than wispies, but I don't know. I'm just trying to use them up so I can get rid of them, honestly. and they're very, very difficult to work with. And I think I cut too much off of this one, so they don't even look like they're the same lash. These are the Ardell 250 lashes. And they're very like, they kind of look like eyelash extensions. So I'm gonna use the roller ball. I always call this roller ball. Roller lash. I'm gonna use the roller lash mascara. Okay, so now for the very exciting and fun part, probably the part that you guys are waiting for, is the inner corner pop of color. I'm gonna dip into Therapy Sesh and Tipsy Girl. I think I'm gonna just do those two, see what happens. I'm gonna just start with a dot. Is it cute or is it weird? I don't know. Does it look stupid? Probably, but whatever. For lips, I'm gonna use the Dior Lip Glow in 001. It's just a very subtle color. All right, guys, and this is the completed look. All right, well, I guess this is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know that it was very random and kind of all over the place, but I hope that this video made you smile, made you happy, distracted you from the chaos of the world for just a couple minutes. I really appreciate you watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than that, I think that is it for this video. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Wash your hands. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, what am I gonna do? Is there something on my lens? There's makeup on my lens. You good? Oh, that tastes disgusting. And hopefully, Abby, if you're watching this, that was you that just texted me. That was you again, Abby. You just keep texting me. And I know that it's you because, oh, you just texted me again. I know that it's you because that text tone is for you. Let's see if you text me a fourth time. Nope. Where is my concealer? I just had it. I was trying to get it look somewhat decent. And then I'm gonna do a tiny bit on my brow. My brush just fell. I feel like I look like a cartoon character when I do that. Okay, I'm done.